What if I told you most of the universe is invisible? Not just far away, but all around us. And after nearly 100 years of searching, we might have finally seen it. For decades, scientists have been chasing one of the biggest mysteries in space, dark matter. We can't see it. We can't touch it. But without it, galaxies like ours shouldn't even exist. So the big question is, did we finally find it? This story actually starts back in 1933 with a scientist named Zwicky. While studying a group of galaxies, he noticed something strange. They were moving way too fast. So fast they should have flown apart. But they didn't. That meant one thing. Something invisible was holding them together. That something became known as dark matter. Here's the weird part. Dark matter doesn't interact with light at all. It doesn't glow. It doesn't reflect. It doesn't even cast a shadow. So we can see it directly. Instead, we only know it's there because of gravity, the way it pulls on stars and galaxies. In fact, there's about 5 to 6 times more dark matter than normal matter in the universe. Scientists have been trying to figure out what dark matter actually is. One of the leading ideas, something called wimps, short for weakly interacting massive particles. These particles are almost impossible to detect. They barely interact with anything except gravity. But there's one way we might catch them. In 2025, everything changed. A scientist studying data from the Fermi gamma-ray space telescope noticed a strange signal coming from our galaxy, the Milky Way. It was a pattern of gamma rays, the kind of energy you'd expect if wimps were colliding and destroying each other. When particles meet their antiparticles, they annihilate. And when they do, they release energy. Just like Einstein's famous idea turning mass into energy. But here's what makes this discovery really interesting. The signal wasn't random. It matched the exact shape scientists predicted for dark matter, a massive halo surrounding our galaxy. Even the energy level of the signal lined up with what we'd expect from wimps. For the first time, this could be actual evidence of dark matter. But before we celebrate, there's a catch. Gamma rays can come from a lot of different things like black holes or exploding stars. And the signal seems stronger than expected. So scientists aren't calling it a discovery just yet. They're being careful because proving dark matter would change physics forever. Now researchers are looking for the same signal in other galaxies. New observatories like the Vera Rubin Observatory are collecting massive amounts of data to help confirm it. If we see this pattern again, that's when things get really serious. So, did we just find dark matter? Not yet, but we might be closer than ever. And if this turns out to be real, it could completely change how we understand the universe. If you're into space mysteries and mind-blowing discoveries, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Because the universe still has a lot of secrets and we're just getting started.